I remember promising to give us a feedback about my glycolic acid review after a couple of weeks, and today is the perfect day to give that review. And yes, I have been using it. You guys can see that I've used this much so far. I think it's about 3 weeks or almost a month that I started using it, and I think it's a perfect time to give the review. So before I do that, I'm also going to be doing my first DIY project on the camera since I got here, and that project is rosemary oil. Now, for some weird reasons, I haven't been able to find rosemary since I came. I have checked in all the stores around me, from Aldi to Tesco to Sainsbury, even the Sainsbury local to the local market. I haven't been able to find rosemary. I don't know if it wasn't in season or whatnot. I didn't know what to make out of the fact that I wasn't able to find rosemary, which I felt should be the most common thing, right, in the stores and in the market. But thank God I found it this week, and I found it on Sainsbury this week, and I felt I can just do a project with it. So I'm excited about this project. This is while we talk about the review of my glycolic acid. I'm also going to be doing this project with you guys while we talk. Yeah. So I remember finding out first time touching fresh rosemary. The smell is really strong. Yeah, it's strong here. So back to our gist. I remember when I had told you guys about glycolic acid, I mentioned that I'll just go ahead and chop it to the tiniest bits that I want it to be. So bear with me while I'll be doing the chopping. It's quite hard though. So I remember mentioning that I had like 3 expectations when I was using the glycolic acid. One was the fact that it was going to take care of the discoloration of my hair, and then the second would be the fact that I have some acne issue going on in the scalp, that I was going to take care of it. And then the last one was the dead skin, because it's naturally exfoliates, so I expected that it was going to exfoliate my scalp for me. I've gotten to where the sticks are, and it's quite hard to cut, so I'm just plucking with my hands though. So on a scale of 1 to 10 to rate what I have noticed, 0 being the smallest and 10 being the largest, I would say for the discoloration, I'll give it an 8. I can't even lie. Like, my scalp feels or looks like my normal skin tone. You have to like look very well to see that there's actually some very tiny amount of discoloration going on there. So I'm happy about that, exceptionally happy about that. It just feels different to the point that I don't even think I'll cut my hair again. That's how different it feels. Yeah, so on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I would say it has made an 8 for me so far. So remember, I'm still in the process. I'm barely 1 month in, and yeah, so I can imagine what it's going to be like as I continue. Then for the acne, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I would say it has reduced it to like, give it a 6, which I think is also good considering the fact that I just started, and I still have a long way to go. Before this bottle finishes, I should have been able to sort out, you know, every single thing that I have as an expectation when it comes to the healing. Then for the dead skin exfoliating, so there's a part of my scalp that has like a concentrated dead skin. So for that part, I would say I'll give you a 5 so far, which I also think is not bad considering the fact that I'm still using it. The journey is still in progress. So far it's been good, and I'm excited about it. The consistency of my usage, I'd say if I'll use it for 14 days, maybe I missed 2 days. Every night I would use it on my scalp. while for my face, every other day, any day I remember I put it, sometimes once a week, sometimes twice in a week. I know I don't have particular routine for the face, I know. So yeah, so far so good. I am happy about it. I'm even suspecting that it opened the hair follicles to a certain extent, that I sort of have more hair growth. I haven't shaved my hair, honestly. I've been so busy. Haven't shaved my hair. Life is just happening at once. Yeah, so I haven't shaved my hair so far. Maybe that's why I don't want to open it. So what I have done with this rosemary, it was hard to cut this stick, so I used my hand to like pluck everything. Now I'm going to go in with the knife to, since my first method doesn't do, I'll just go in with the knife to see how I can dice it more to have the best concentration. See, I didn't even know it was this strong. It is strong, very, very strong. Anyways, I don't think I can go further than this because I will have to leave it for a very long time. Yeah, so I have a mason jar empty that I think is perfect for me. I'm doing infusion, and I think I'm going to be keeping it for like 2 weeks since I'm not really using it. I'm not in a hurry to use it like that. So yeah, every single thing has gone in here. Every single thing has gone in here. So pure rosemary oil. I'm also going to be putting onions inside of this because I'm making hair growth oil. So I'll just quickly add my onions to this. So I've added my onions to it, and I also added the first part of the onions because I know it has its own nutrients. I know, so I've added my onions to it. The next step would just be to put any essential oil or any oil you think you want to use. I'm using sunflower oil, and I'll just put it above every single thing. Cover it well. So this is going to sit for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks I will sieve and it can now be used. Simple. I'll probably just shake it every other day. So that's basically how to make your rosemary and onions infused oil. So back to glycolic acid. I'm happy about this product, and I'm just imagining what it would be like in the next 1 month basically. So yeah, so if you want to buy, I highly recommend this product. Be careful, like I said, your face, so you don't burn your face because it's acid, and you have to be very careful when you're using it. So that's basically it. I'm happy with the result. I'm now confused if I want to keep the hair or not. I'm still in that confusion stage right now, but I'm still using it. Hair's quite low, and yeah, now that I'm making this oil, I don't know if I want to keep the hair and try the oil and see. Whatever happens, I will update you guys. But this product is working, and this one will definitely work too. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.